This is the assembly video for the robot arm. The video is about 5 minutes long, but it will take over 30 minutes in real time. First, I will attach the base printed part to a block of wood to make it easier to work with the robot arm during assembly. Now I will assemble the joint on the base, which I call the A joint, as in alpha. It contains 2 pulleys and 2 belts and a pin that is cut from a 1/4-inch bolt. Now I will assemble the B joint, which consists of a double pulley and the upper arm. The B joint is a little tricky because the belt has preload in it, so I use a screwdriver to help pry the pulley to get the bolt installed. Leave the joint bolt a little bit loose, and the bolt for the spring should also be left a little bit loose. Now I will assemble the C joint. The C joint can be a little tricky, and you may need to use a screwdriver as a pry bar to help get the bolt installed. Now I will install the servos to the base, starting with the A servo. The servos are attached to the base with 4 number 6 screws each. Now I will install the bolt that holds the bottom of the spring. The spring is made from surgical tubing. The purpose of the spring is to help take the load off of the lower servo. I install the B joint pulley, walking it around the pulley. You may have to do this a couple of times to get the timing right between the servo and the upper arm. Now I will install the C Servo, which controls the tilt at the end of the arm. I use many parts that come with the servos, such as these small black bushings. Install the servo with 4 number 6 screws. Make sure not to over-tighten. The end of the arm is designed to accept different parts, such as the claw or the fork. Now I will install foam weather stripping to the claw. This helps give the claw grip. You don't have to be very precise when you're doing this. Install the claw servo to the claw attachment using 4 number 6 screws. You can see we're using standard servo parts again. Attach the claw to the claw using 2 M3 12mm screws. Attach the links to the claw using 2 more M3 screws and see how it works. Feed the long claw PWM wire up through the link, and then attach the claw to the arm. And here it is, all assembled.